the TMO absolutely intervened in things that went against the Springboks, calls that should have gone against the Springboks, or should have gone for the Springboks. He never intervened. I mean, that tackle in the air on Kainan Moody. There's a Italian guy. Kainan's jumping for the ball. An Italian guy gets under him, tackles him. The call comes through. They were both going for the ball. It's insanity. Insanity.
Yeah,
The drop
yeah,
goal of Handré Pollard, guys. The drop
yeah.
goal of Handré Pollard.
That was
It's through the
ridiculous.
poles. There's the Italian captain, number 13, runs to charge down, but as he runs, he shoves out his forearm, he hits Volkulo in the head, and then he goes down like a Serie A
Mm.
footballer, and the drop goal is cancelled
Yeah,
out, but there was offside, so
and the
Andre could kick
penalty.
the three
Mm.
points through the dingers. Meanwhile,
Yeah,
Siya Kolisi got so upset with all the TMO calls coming
yeah.
against his team that he actually started speaking to referee
And-
James Dolman about just what the heck is going on, because
Yeah,
there
yeah,
is a looks like a one-eyed Frenchman who's the TMO, and
yeah,
no wonder the Box beat France last weekend. What was
yeah.
he doing in that seat?
And